Face each other for the first time ever tonight, and what a way to get acquainted in the 2025 Champions League final. This is the one that eluded PSG. Silverware that heavy spend has a contrast in styles at the Allianz Arena. Gary Brain.
What a final we have here. PSG have played at a level above anything I've seen before, and Inter Milan just know how to win.
Martinez wears Inter's armband. Well, like Donna Madrid's remarkable haul, no Premier League present.
Though loose. Here's Doué once more. Turned away by Mkhitaryan. Doué held off Hakan Çalhanoğlu, who caught one in the face. It's a warm, sticky evening in Munich. Mkhitaryan has won himself a free kick here. This time, hooked into the far post, and Marquinhos at the third attempt does make contact with the ball. Supported inevitably from Denzel Dumfries. Now Barella. Mkhitaryan is free at the far post. It was well tracked into Fabian Ruiz. Back to Vitinha. Fed in beautifully to Doué, and it's Hakimi! And it's just beautiful! Oh, hang it in the Louvre! It is a majestic goal from Paris Saint-Germain. Sharp into passing. Clever movement. And yes, it's their right back, Achraf Hakimi, who is there to deliver the deadly blow. He scored in the quarter-final, he scored in the semi-final, he scored in the French Cup final last weekend, and now he scored in the Champions League final.
It's first blood to PSG, and it's an apology from Hakimi to his former team, to his former fans, but now just to see them through the next few minutes, just to get a touch on the ball.
Martinez has just brought a free kick there from Hakimi. Yes. Here's Kvaratskhelia. It's not beyond him. We've seen him score for... Prevented it from going for a corner and done more than that. He's released Kvaratskhelia, and here goes Dembele, and he's got Fabian Ruiz up with him and Doué arriving. Ousmane Dembele on the ball. João Neves has made a run into the box. This is Désiré Doué, and he's deflected in. And Paris Saint-Germain are in dreamland. They're 2 up after 20 minutes. The first was a gorgeous goal. The build-up to the second was equally good. Doué has had a huge stroke of fortune because his volley would not have beaten Sommer but for the deflection. But nobody can deny that Paris Saint-Germain deserve this lead. They're 2 up already.
Well, it's a lightning strike.
Record of defending set pieces. Çalhanoğlu will take it, and Acerbi is there. His header just flies over the crossbar.
That's exactly what they wanted. He's unchallenged completely.
Paris Saint-Germain, Fabian Ruiz. They're now suspected of effort, and Dembele will take this late corner. And the header is over from Kvaratskhelia, but it's another sight of the Inter. Hakimi under pressure from Di Marco, and here's Barella. And Di Marco goes on, Hakimi gets back to him, and the flag goes up. And free kick to Paris Saint-Germain. Di Marco offside. Instantly under the ball. Hakimi tossed back in to the head of Dembele once more. Used Çalhanoğlu takes towards the header. Thuram! It's a strong header. Just off target.
Another really good chance from the corner, and something they should have taken. You just see that bottom of your screen that he's got the run. And Kvaratskhelia, it's a mismatch at the far post. From there, you're thinking...
Que viene como galgos, se hace con la pelota Doué, se va perfecto de Lautaro, frontal del área. La ha acompañado bien Sommer, porque ese balón se iba hacia la izquierda de la portería del Inter de Milán.
Un poquito perdón, porque la verdad que tiene un buen balón para...
Still Kvaratskhelia got a shot away, was just deflected dangerously And has gone for a little of themselves, but at the break, it's Pete behind which their vocal support is gathered. What would have been said in that Inter Milan dressing room at half-time, Rob?
Yeah, you've got
Back to Fabian Ruiz. He has Kvaratskhelia, all kinds of options. He went alone with the angle against him. Maybe one or two of his teammates against him at this moment. I think they might be letting him know. Strong challenge by Pacho on Dumfries. It's fallen though for Thuram, who has won a free kick. Free kick in a promising position for Inter Milan. It fell awkwardly and turned away by Fabian Ruiz, and the handball appeals have actually Ruiz and Kvaratskhelia. Well, he's had a couple of chances. Well, he found a player, but it was Nuno Mendes. Here's Fabian Ruiz and Ousmane Dembele. Just couldn't get enough action on the ball. They are wonderful individuals, but are they indulging themselves on freeze? Pink. First effort was very well charged down by João Neves, and his second effort kicked an opponent. And he's no sooner on the field than the first yellow card of the evening. He's shown to comes out for Barella. I think he was in the PSG. Hakimi upended by Di Marco. Signed on loan from Roma in February, comes on in his place. Chalanoa with a free kick, and Donnarumma didn't reach that. Cherby did. Donnarumma's gone down injured. Marquinhos has won it, but only for Thuram. It's a bit clumsy that from Pacho. Strong run, but who's come back with him? Kvaratskhelia. Defenders behind him really appreciate that kind of industry from Kvaratskhelia. This is Zalewski.
midfielder alongside Barella.
Vitinha. Dembele. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Doors have been opened here. Vitinha has found Doué. It is delicious. You will not see a better goal this season. It's a goal that is PSG's 150th of this glorious season, and it has just about won them their first Champions League. What a way to get to the top of the European game. They take the breath away. Magnificent. Lautaro Martinez. Fabian Ruiz. Cross back in towards Dembele. Still an opportunity for Barcola. And he probably should have done better. Play forward from there. Incredibly brave. It's not so smart from Dembele, but Nuno Mendes has won it back. And here is Dembele. And on to Kvaratskhelia. There's no flag at the moment. It's Kvaratskhelia. It's 4. Saint-Germain are winning the Champions League and winning it in style. Nobody's ever won a final by more than 4 goals. You wouldn't put it past this lot. They've still got 20 minutes to go. There'll be a review, by the way, because Kvaratskhelia was right on the line, but it will be a shame if he's denied. And Slani. Came for Zalewski. Sway is even more wonderful from a skillful forward to have the... But here's Barcola. It's Bradley Barcola. See ya! Oh, side netting. He waved goodbye to the defender. Just opened up here for Nicola Barella. It's a smart save that by Donnarumma to deny Thuram. And here goes Kvaratskhelia again. Donnarumma easy. Dembele has lost it. It's hit by Zalewski. And hit straight at Donnarumma. Bradley Barcola into taken apart again. Dembele was on for Barcola. He's a bit self. Hakimi leading another raid. Barcola. Mayulu. Barcola. Mayulu. Oh! It's 5. It's going to be not only Paris Saint-Germain's first Champions League success, it's going to be a record Champions League success. Seni Mayulu has only just turned 19. We've become aware of what